If I can see him. Oh, I see, sorry. Yes, Mike Nacker is here. I thought I was missed him and he was gone somewhere. I'd like Mike Nacker to come over and take the stage with the Pandit Acharya and our chief guest, Dr. Ajit Singh. I'll let Dr. Ajit Singh and Pandit Ajay Tiwari take the seat, but I'll ask Mr. Mike Nacker to come and address the audience for this book launch. Mr. Mike Nacker.
Loka viramam ranarangadhinam ajivanetram raghuvanshanatham karunyarupam karunakarantam Shri Ramachandram Sharanam Prapadhe. My humble pranams at the lotus of Bhagwan Shri Ram, my Ram Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Namaste, and Kiora to, I say to all of us, including me. We appreciate you all and your presence here today on this occasion of book launch written by our Panditji, Ajay Tiwari ji. Today being the day of Raksha Bandhan, we appreciate how difficult it is to take time out, and it makes us more appreciative of the importance you've all placed in this book launch in embracing this occasion. A very special thanks to the Brahman Samaj for being here, and to the honorary members of Parliament, thank you for being here, and for the senior members of the political parties present here today. We're also very grateful to Dr. Ajit Singh, Judge at Auckland District Court, for being our chief guest and in agreeing to formally launch this book. And of course, thank you all for coming in so big numbers. When we're putting the seats out, we're sort of tossing whether we should put 100 or 150 and we've now gone on to get more seats. So thank you so much. You've been a tremendous support and a feeling of elation at the time of this book launch. The invitation was from North Shore Ramayana Mandali. Who exactly is this North Shore Ramayana Mandali? It is 8 families. We're not a party of any sort, just 8 ignorant families who first came into New Zealand in the early 89s and 90s that were missing the culture at home, and we said, oh, why don't we get together and do something? The intention was great. We didn't know where to buy Ramayana, so we went and bought Ramayana. Having bought Ramayana, we then didn't think we could read Hindi, so we struggled with Hindi for a long time. And the children loved coming because they were given halwa and prasadam after that. And they liked the Shanti part more than the top part, because they knew at the Shanti part there was prasadam coming. And this enthusiastic crowd said, and I'll take a few names here. Initially there was Master Ramesh Chandra. We had Master Damodar Gaundar, Ambika Nand, and Mr. and Mrs. Gyandev family, of which Praveen was a sibling at that stage. I'm taking you back 21 years. And there was our family, and we were based in Forest Hill. We met every Tuesday. Only Master Ramesh could read Hindi, and Ambika could decipher what was happening. But we all sat there. There was no harmoniums, no one knew how to play one. There was no beat, no one knew how to play a tabla or dholak, but we still persevered. Then later on, as the our fun now grew. We had Mr. Vijendra Prasad Bajawala, he's right here. He came and he joined us. And he's been such a wonderful and enthusiastic supporter that he shifted from Auckland to Pairoa. Those of you that know where Pairoa is, it's like an hour and a half drive. Every Tuesday he's drive from Pairoa to attend the Ramayana session that began at 7:30. It finished at 9:30, 10, and he drove back. Such a wonderful support. Thank you so much, Bhaiji. He's still here with us today, standing in the corner. The Mandli was further supported and strengthened by Mr. Raghudandan, a very religious man who is now at the head of the Hanuman temple on the shore, who was later joined by his 3 sons, one of whom is standing right there, Vijay, and their family. And on the occasions of Ram Navami and Krishna Janmashtami celebrations, we had Pandit Sunilji Samdivai here, who graciously helped us out. And then later on we had Abhishek and his parents. Abhishek is a very good dholak player, so that became an asset. And later on this young fella who is the MC, he somehow or the other picked up the beat. So we bought him the first tabla, and I think on 2 days he just ran the tabla flat and broke the skin. We then said maybe you should take something thicker like a dholak. Kushdeep and Aarti are a great addition to the team with 3 young talented children. And we then had Premila, Rajesh, Madhav and Premila join us. And subsequently, I'm not too sure of the sequence, but it was Jake Madhav, Shyam Sharma who joined us. And over the last 20 years, it's been a wonderful journey. And I just want to read you out a few messages that have been written. This is by Panditji Ramesh Chandra, who is not well. He is actually in a rest home. Who says, my congratulations to North Shore Satsang Ramayana Mandli on achieving this milestone since its formation and completion of Ramayana. The entire membership has been very devoted and sincere. They have gained a good knowledge and understanding of Ramayana, and this is apparent as the members are turning out to be good speakers and readers of Hindi as well. A message here from Mr. Gyan Deo. And this is perhaps a little bit encapsulating a message of all of us. He says, I arrived in New Zealand in July 1991 with my wife, only daughter and 3 sons to start a new life. Our start was a real struggle, having to adjust to the new environment, country and people so foreign to what we were accustomed to back in Fiji. However, what we had was faith in our religion and belief in God. We are proud to be born a Hindu and to practice it in our lives. I was blessed to have the opportunity to start Ramayana with my fellow Satsangis on North Shore. That organization or group is now starting to be called the North Shore Satsang Ramayana Mandli. And he says, my family has grown from the initial 6 to currently 17 and gives me great satisfaction in seeing all practice our religion, especially my 8 grandchildren. Our future generations need to know and practice it in their lives, and our Mandli is actively working towards achieving this goal. I pause on that statement of achieving towards this goal. We then asked a young man called Pawan, who was here on the stage, and we said, son, we've been reading and reciting Ramayana now for that many years, in excess of like 18 years. What have you understood or gained? There was a dull silence, and he says, and we knew that perhaps what we were doing was maybe for the enjoyment or for the social, but what about the real purpose of understanding and leaving a legacy behind? And in that respect, we then started to have association with Pandit Ajay Tiwari ji, and we are so impressed with his knowledge, with his appeal, that he became like a regular Purohit at our, especially on the larger occasions of Krishna Janmashtami. And as our monthly came to a conclusion, like the recital of Ramayana, we came to the conclusion of it. We did a Havan and a part, and we wanted to commemorate that occasion by encapsulating the memories in a book. And we could put pictures, but we wanted to put something that could be perhaps used. And we found that Panditji was publishing his book, so we said, why don't we join with Panditji in helping to publish that book? And with Panditji has done all the effort. We've just come in. And you probably, from Fiji, would know this expression called Mangani ke bail unjuri arat. Not sure of my mind is like that. Panditji's done all the work, and we've just come in pushing the barrel. I have got like a 4-page CV on Panditji, and I'm sure you don't want to hear all of that. Panditji has gained his bachelor's degree, and then he's done 3 Masters of Arts degree and a postgraduate study from St. Stephen's College at Delhi University. He's been here in excess of 9 years, and I'm sure there's no one here who has not met Panditji and who is not impressed with Panditji. He is a very charismatic and a very powerful speaker. And so we were really happy when given the opportunity to say, yeah, let's participate. And we've now come into the stage now where there's going to be a book launch. And this book is in Hindi. The English translation of that is being prepared. So thank you so much for your presence here today. I'd now like to hand over to MC to conduct the next process. But in conclusion, let's just say that perhaps Lord Shri Ramayan Mandli, we came in with a Bhakti Bhav. We met Panditji with the Gyan, and the culmination of that is perhaps the future for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Mike Naikar. Now I would like to welcome Kiran and Aarti to present a bouquet of flowers to Pandit Ajay Tiwari.